Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is all about making money online by typing. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, let's dive in and see what's really out there. Before we get started, I want to be upfront. Typing words online won't make you rich overnight. It's not a replacement for a full-time job. Most importantly, real money comes from solving problems. Typing random words doesn't solve big problems, so the payouts won't be huge, but it can be a fun way to earn some extra cash from home. Our first option is Factfluence, formerly known as Atom. This platform pays you to come up with one-word business names. They have a winners section where you can see how much past winners earned, usually $200 to $300 per name. Not every idea gets accepted, and some contests require a $10 entry fee. There are other platforms like Naming Force, CrowdSpring, and 99 Designs that run naming contests. These can also pay decent money for winning names, but competition can be fierce. AI logo design. Here's a twist. Some platforms let you submit logos for naming contests. You can use AI tools like logo.com to generate logo ideas based on the business name. It's faster than designing from scratch, but keep in mind the quality might not be top-notch. Referral programs with a twist. This is where things get interesting. Platforms like Ibotta offer referral programs where you earn money when someone signs up using your link. But here's the twist. Factfluence, formerly known as SnapPlay, lets you create snippets. These are bite-sized content pieces with a call to action that link back to your referral offer. You can promote your referral links with Factfluence snippets on various platforms. Here are a few ideas. Free.net-post free ads with your link. Hercules, advertise to a large audience for free with a $5 sign-up bonus. Wattpad, create engaging stories that include your referral link, though this one requires a bit more effort. This one's a classic. Platforms like TextBroker pay you to write content like blog articles. Your earnings depend on the word count and quality of your writing. This is a bit of a gamble, but some online communities like ours run giveaways where you can win money for simply leaving a comment. It might be a word or an emoji, anything goes. We do weekly giveaways in our free community, and you can find the link in the description. Remember, typing words can be a fun way to earn some extra cash, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. Focus on solving valuable problems to maximize your earning potential. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and I'll see you next time.